बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलामु अलैकुम एंड वेलकम टू बिलाल आशिक व्लॉग्स। टाइटल से तो पता चल गया होगा कि आज की वीडियो किस बारे में है। आप लोगों ने मेरे चैनल पे दूसरी वीडियो देखी होगी जो कि दुबई मिराकल गार्डन की थी। वो सारी की सारी वीडियो जो थी वो मैंने इन्हीं हाथों से बगैर किसी ट्राइपॉड स्टैंड के बनाई थी। कोई भी होल्डिंग इक्विपमेंट मेरे पास नहीं था। जो भी वीडियो आप अपने हाथ से बनाते हो बिना किसी ट्राइपॉड स्टैंड के या बगैर किसी होल्डिंग इक्विपमेंट के अपने हाथों से मतलब शूट करते हो तो उस वीडियो में शेक लाजमी होता है और वो शेक आपकी वीडियो को अनप्रोफेशनल लुक देता है। तो मेरी वीडियो जो थी जो कि दुबई मिराकल गार्डन की थी, नो डाउट वीडियो बहुत अच्छी बनी थी, बहुत मेहनत की थी उस पर, ख़ास तौर पर एडिटिंग पे। लेकिन उस वीडियो में शेक काफ़ी था, तो उस शेक का सलूशन ढूंढने के लिए मैंने अमेज़ोन से एक गिम्बल ऑर्डर किया है और उस गिम्बल की अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ। तो लेट्स अनबॉक्स माय गिम्बल। कुछ इस तरह की पैकिंग में आएगा आपका गिम्बल। होहम iSteady X। Okay, so here is my smart gimbal Hohem iSteady X. The very first thing I will consider is its payload, and its payload is 280 gram, which is a very good thing, and normally all the smartphones are under 280 grams. The second thing I will consider is its battery timing, which is pretty good also. If I talk about the specification, it is 12 hours, but that is not true, to be very honest with you, and its maximum battery timing is 5 hours, and which is not that bad. And the good news is that you can charge this gimbal by your power bank, and you can use this gimbal while it is on charge. And if I talk about the build quantity, it is made up of plastic, and it is not the normal plastic, it is solid plastic, and it is very pretty in shape. And this is 3-axis gimbal with the 3 motors. One is here, second is here, and third one is here. And from here you can record your video vertically and horizontally. We have to just change the direction, and it will automatically, when you turn on, it will take you to the horizontal mode, and if you will set this in a vertical mode, it will take you to the vertical mode after switching on your gimbal. And let's talk about its physically buttons. Here is the battery indications, are the 4 dots which indicates the battery on the right hand side, and here is the zoom in and zoom out button. The best part of this gimbal is this button, the mode change button, and I have seen some other gimbals also in which you have to go to the application to change the mode. But in this gimbal you do not have to open the application for change the mode. You can change the mode by just pressing this button. If you will press this button one time, it will take you to the pan follow mode, and if you will press this button 2 times, it will take you to the pan and tilt follow mode, and for the 3rd time it will take you to the all lock, and if you press this button 4 times it will take you to the all follow mode. And here on the left hand side there is a mic extension, there is a USB port, and there is a charging port. And if you press this power button it will switch you to the camera mode and the video mode. And this joystick is for pan, tilt and roll axis if this is activated. So let's test this gimbal, and we will go outside to test this gimbal. But the very important thing is that do not turn on this gimbal without mounting your phone. You have to mount your phone first, then you have to switch on this gimbal, otherwise the battery could be damaged. Okay, let's test the stability of the video first with the gimbal. I'm moving with the gimbal here. Now I'm running and the video is less shaky. It's pretty good. And now I will run with the mobile without the gimbal. I am without the gimbal here. I'm holding mobile in my hand, and now I will run. The video is very shaky here as compared to the gimbal. Okay, let's test the other feature of the gimbal. This is the pan follow mode, this is tilt mode, and this is the roll axis. It looks interesting. Hello. Okay, so this is the interface of the application. From the left top right there is a setting button. You can change the settings according to your need, but I will prefer the built-in settings. From here you can switch your camera, front camera and back camera. Here you can on the flash, and from here you can control your brightness, but this is okay for me. On the top right there is object tracking. You can track any object, you can track your face, and I will show you. This is how, this is me, and I will track, turn on the tracking from here. So you can select the person or object which you want to track, and now you will see it will track me. This is moving, it's tracking me, which is pretty good. If your gimbal is not in the right position, and here is the button which you can use. This button you can press on this button 2 times and it will recenter it automatically. So I will show you. This is how it works, and I just press this button 2 times and it recentered automatically. So this was my gimbal. I hope you like the video, and you will tell me how this gimbal is in the comment section. तो ये था मेरा gimbal Hohem iSteady X. आप लोगों को कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा। और अभी खाने का टाइम हो गया। Dropping the mic.